So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can merge two different text files online without using any software. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser over your device. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for uh, text file merger. You can see it appears right here. Just simply search over there and open the first website that appear right in front of you. For example, if I open this first website, now here it will ask me to upload my two different files. Once I upload them, you can even check and uncheck this of removing header from the second file. If you are merging two files, you might not need the header of the second file. So once you upload your files and hit file combine and download, it will automatically combine those two different text files and directly you can save it and use it wherever you want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.